Chalo, I hope everyone is fit and fine. So today I am here with the topic that you like, that is the omitted portion for your 9th standard academic year 2020-21. Listening to the omitted portion got a smile on your face, right? Okay, chalo. Get your geometry textbook and keep a pencil ready with you so that whatever I discuss, even you can mark it in your textbook. Chalo, let's see the omitted portion now. I hope everyone is having your textbook with you now. Whatever markings I am giving, see to it that even you mark it in your textbook. Let's start with chapter number 1. Chapter number 1, Basic Concepts of Geometry. Directly come to page number 5. Now, on your page number 5, practice set 1.1. Question number 1, subpart number 6th, 7th and 8th is omitted. The one which is highlighted over here. Then question number 2, the last two questions, that is your subpart 5th and 6th is omitted. From your question number 3, subpart number 4, 5 and 6, that is the last three parts are omitted over here. Then entire question number 5 is omitted. When you are cancelling over there, you can just put a small circle and put a cross over there. Okay. Then come directly to page number 8. On your page number 8, question number 6, third part is omitted over there. Going to the next part. Come to your page number 11 directly now. From your problem set 1, question number 2, last two sub questions, that is the third and the fourth one is omitted. From your question number 3, again the sub question number 5th and 6th is omitted. Then on your page number 12, question number 6 is omitted. Then bottom of the page, question number 10, entire question is omitted. So draw a labeled figure, that entire thing is not there for you. So if I want to conclude for your chapter number 1, if you go to see, they have just reduced the number of sums to be practiced, but no concept is omitted. Whatever is there in the chapter, everything is a part of the portion. Just a few sums here and there are reduced for practice. Okay, let's go to chapter number 2, parallel lines. Now on your page number 17, practice set number 2.1, question number 3, the one which is highlighted in the red box over here is omitted. Then on page number 18, top of the page, question number 5 is omitted. Coming to the next page, that is your page number 21. On your page number 21, the top part above practice set 2.2, everything is omitted. That is your corollary 1 and corollary 2 is omitted. Okay. Going to your chapter number 3, triangles. Over there, come to page number 25. On your page number 25, top of the page, that entire column of use your brain power is omitted. Then page number 26, entire page is omitted. So that particular solved example, you do not have it for your portion. Then on your page number 27, above practice set number 3.1, the entire solved example is omitted. Then on your page number 28, question number 9 is omitted. That is from your practice set 3.1, question number 9 is omitted. Continuing with the chapter, page number 33. Now on your page number 33, I have not done any markings over here because the official PDF that has come, okay, it does not have any line number or any specific question number that is being omitted. So they have given over their page number 33, but since from which line to which line is omitted is not mentioned over here, to be on a safer side, we will be doing everything from page number 33. Okay. Then coming to page number 34, top of the page, the entire corollary and use your brain power is omitted. Then coming to page number 48, entire page is omitted. Page number 48, you can strike out the entire page. Coming to your chapter number 4, geometric construction. For that, directly come to page number 53. On your page number 53, practice set number 4.2, question number 4 is omitted. Then page number 56, practice set number 4.3, question number 3 is omitted. Then chapter number 5, quadrilaterals. Come to page number 59 in the textbook. On your page number 59, top of the page, you will see one column of activity. That entire activity is omitted. Then on page number 62, bottom of the page, practice set 5.1, question number 7 is omitted. Then coming to page number 67, on your page number 67, practice set number 5.2, question 3 is omitted and question 5 is omitted. From your page number 68, okay, over there, you can see the highlighted part over here. Write the proof of the following statements. All the 3 statements are omitted. So basically you are having the property, but to prove that property, that cannot come as a question in your exam. So proof of the property is not there. Then on your page number 75, you can strike out the entire page. Entire page number 75 is omitted. Coming to chapter number 6, circle, page number 79. You can see the marking over here in red color. Practice set 6.1. Question number 6, that is the last question of practice set 6.1 is omitted. Then come to page number 81. On your page number 81, you can see the box that I have striked out over here. Remember this, ke upar, above that, that entire part is omitted. That theorem ka proof you all are not having. Then coming to page number 82, page number 82, practice set 6.2, question number 3 is omitted. Then page number 87, directly come to page number 87. On your page number 87, now this question is a part of your problem set if I am not wrong. Okay, over there question number 2, top of the page is omitted. That is construction of incircle and circumcircle of an equilateral triangle. That you are not having it in your portion. Chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. Come to page number 92. On your page number 92, that entire block of activity is omitted. Then on your page number 94, there is a box of let's discuss. That let's discuss entire part is omitted. Come to page number 95. On your page number 95, the block in the middle, that is let's discuss, that entire thing which is marked in red is omitted. Coming to your chapter number 8, trigonometry. Now this chapter is very, very important from conceptual point of view also. Okay. Now come to page number 106. On your page number 106, the topmost block above let's recall, that entire block is omitted. Then on your page number 112, they have skipped out a few questions from your first table over there. You can see in your table first, second, third and fourth, where sine theta is given as 1/2. That is omitted. Then the last 3 sub questions are omitted over there. So in all, from that entire table, there are 4 sub questions which are omitted. Then come to chapter number 9, that is the last chapter of your textbook, page number 119. On your page number 119, from your practice set 9.2, question number 7, 8 and 9 is omitted. From your page number 120, that entire block is omitted, what is marked over here. Continuing with the chapter, page number 123, from your problem set 9, last 2 questions, that is question number 8 and question number 9 is omitted. I hope you all have marked whatever is the omitted portion. Now, just to summarize everything regarding your omitted portion, I would like to tell you one thing. From a teacher's perspective, I am extremely happy that not even a single concept is omitted from the textbook. If you actually go to see, if you actually analyze the omitted portion, they have just reduced the number of sums to be practiced. Okay, but the sums that are practiced, the concept on which they are based, on the same concept, there are other sums which are a part of your portion. Okay, so conceptually, your entire geometry textbook is there the way it is given. There are only few sums that are omitted. So from examination point of view, what you can do is, whatever questions I have just now said that they are omitted, one day before the exam, when you are practicing for all the chapters together, you can just skip those questions for practice. But in your daily practice, it is advisable that you do not omit even a single sum. That's it regarding the omitted portion. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the content, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates, and do click the bell icon so that you get the notification if we upload any video over here. Very soon we will be back with more videos for you. Till then, tata bye bye.